This is the Lone Trader YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TradingView app for beginners. First, download the app from your app store and either create a new account or log in. Once inside, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. You'll see various market summaries and quick links. This initial setup is crucial for personalizing your experience and accessing all the powerful features TradingView offers, making your trading journey smoother from the start. Next, let's dive into understanding charts. Tap on any asset, like a stock or cryptocurrency, to open its chart. You can easily switch between different chart types, such as popular candlestick charts or simpler line charts, to suit your preference. Experiment with various timeframes, from a quick 1-minute view to a broader 1-month perspective, to analyze price movements over different periods. This flexibility helps you gain a comprehensive market understanding. Now, let's explore the powerful tools and indicators available. You can add technical indicators, such as a 20-period moving average, directly to your chart to help identify trends. Use the drawing tools to mark trend lines, pinpointing potential support and resistance levels. There are many other drawing tools, like Fibonacci retracements, to assist with your analysis. These features are essential for making informed trading decisions based on technical patterns. Finally, master watch lists and alerts to stay on top of the market. Create personalized watch lists to keep track of all your favorite stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets in one place. Set up price alerts for any asset. For example, you could set an alert if a stock reaches $150. These alerts will notify you instantly, ensuring you never miss a potential trading opportunity or a significant market movement, even when you're away from the charts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.